Hey Larry, Trent Tate here with Tameron Honda. First and foremost, thank you so very much for your recent online interest in one of our all-new, totally redesigned Honda Pilots. As you can see, I've got a row of them right here behind me, and we are the largest dealer in the state, so we're going to have the best inventory for you to choose from, hands down. I noticed you didn't specify an exact vehicle or color combination. It looked like you did mention Touring, which is what this one is right here in the beautiful white diamond pearl. And the Touring is going to pretty much be loaded out. You're going to have everything from your rear entertainment system to navigation to your Honda Sensing suite of driver assist features, backup camera, Bluetooth of course, and I mean, it rides like a dream. I can't wait to show it to you in person, Larry. Contact me today at 205-504-2358. Come on out, take advantage of our big President's Day clearance sale that Honda's been nationally advertising. We got great deals all day, Larry. So again, I really appreciate the opportunity to go to work for you, and I can promise you this, when you make it into Tameron Honda, you're going to love the way you're treated.